Good morning, you lovelies. I'm wishing you a beautiful Saturday. And I'm here with my lover and partner, walking in Fiji. And I welcome you here at Fiji to do the Love Relationship Program, which I specially made for you, of course. And come and join me here for a retreat on Fiji while you deepen your love relationship.
They told us love was hard work every day, a mountain we must somehow climb our way. We carried all the worries and the fear, forgotten why we ever started here. We came with tired hearts and heavy minds, still searching for the spark we couldn't find. But Fiji whispered softly through the breeze, slow down, breathe out, come back to what you need. No need to be who you were yesterday. No need to follow what the others say. Love is meant to feel alive, not just survive, survive. 5 days beneath the island sky, learning again how to fly. Holding the sadness and the light, staying together through the night, finding a way that's truly ours, like ocean waves and tropical flowers. We sat beside the truth, we tried to hide the lonely places living deep inside. No fixing, forcing, blaming who was wrong, just listening long enough to hear the song. And when the tears had gently washed away, we found some laughter waiting there to stay. A playful touch, a smile we thought we lost, discovering each other without cost. No perfect answers carved in stone to keep. The strongest roots are growing slow and deep. Love is meant to feel alive, not just survive, survive. 5 days beneath the island sky, learning again how to fly. Holding the sadness and the light, staying together through the night, finding a way that's truly ours, like ocean waves and tropical flight.